You are going to love the 2022 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, tow hitch, lane departure warning, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, stability control, traction control, LED headlights, anti-lock braking system. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.